Hi everyone, welcome to KT Solution channel. Today I will show you how to approve or reject new user registration in WordPress. So let's get started. Open a website, admin access, then go to install a plugin. Then search a plugin. The plugin name is new user approve. Then wait for a few minutes. It will be visible very shortly. Then go to install now. Now it's progressing for installing. It will take little bit time to install. Okay, install now. Now is activate. After activate, you have to go to the login page where you are going to log in new user registration and check the home page and go to home page, and here create a new registration, fill all the details, then submit. New registration is done. So now we'll have to go to check the registration is working or not. So user and password field there is showing the error, your account is still pending approval. So we need to go to admin access, scroll down where you install the plugin, then go to click on that plugin, approve new user plugin, then check there approve or deny. So we can approve, approver done. Then go to check a confirmation email, got the confirmation email, then recheck your login and password. Login is successful, so it's complete. Thank you for watching.